If there is one thing that every YouTuber wants, that is probably more views, right? Because if more people are watching your videos, then you have more creative satisfaction, your channel is gonna make more money, you'll have more sponsorship opportunities. If you're using your channel for your business, it's gonna grow your business. There's a lot of reasons why you want more views. But here's the thing. A lot of people who give advice on how to get more views tell you that you need to focus on getting into YouTube search. And so they tell you to do keyword research and to find search terms that are not very competitive, but pretty popular. You know, a lot of people are searching them every month, and to make videos about those topics because those will be the easy keywords to rank for. But here's the little problem with that. Think about your own YouTube habits. Think about how you use YouTube. Now, sometimes, sure, you need to know how to work something, you need to know how to fix something, and so you go to YouTube and you search how to right? But the rest of the time, how do you use YouTube? Do you go and you search for a specific topic? Not typically. I would bet that most of the time when you're watching videos on YouTube, you're watching content that YouTube suggests to you. And when I go in and I look at my YouTube analytics to see how people are finding my videos, that's exactly what I see. Most of the views on my channel are coming from YouTube suggested. So YouTube has done this amazing thing here. They have spent millions of dollars building a machine, it's called an algorithm, that matches up viewers with videos that they want to watch. Now, a lot of the time, the viewers don't even know that they want to watch those videos until YouTube puts the thumbnail in front of them and suggests it to them. And then they think, maybe I want to watch that. Or maybe they think, I really want to watch that. And then they click on it, maybe even just out of curiosity. And a good portion of the time, YouTube is right. And that person does want to watch that video. And it's because, like I said, they spend millions of dollars building this algorithm that's really, really smart. And they can tell based on what that viewer liked in the past. And I don't just mean clicked the like button on, but I mean chose to watch and how long the person continued to watch that video, whether or not they're going to like this other video that's similar that people who are like that person also liked. So what does that mean to YouTubers? How can we use that information to get more views on our videos? Well, it's pretty simple. If you want your channel to grow really fast, if you want to get a lot of views on YouTube, you need to get YouTube to start recommending your videos to people who don't know about your videos yet. You need your videos to go viral on YouTube. And viral doesn't always mean millions and millions of views. It can just mean new people are watching your videos who haven't seen them before, that it's spreading virally. One person is watching it, and that is leading to more people watching it. And in this case, it's because of the information that YouTube gets when one person chooses to watch your video. So how can we do that? Well, it's not all that difficult to figure out, especially now that we know that YouTube only actually cares about two things. First of all, they care about whether people click on the video when it is suggested to them. And second of all, the algorithm cares about how long someone watches the video after they've clicked on it. So in order to improve that click-through ratio, the number of people who click when it's suggested, we need to work on creating really good thumbnails that really draw people in. They obviously need to be attention-grabbing, but they also need to compel people to click once they have noticed them. So they need to be curiosity-provoking or beautiful or in some other way attractive. So work on your thumbnail design. That is one of the #1 things you can do to get more views on your videos, because it's going to make YouTube suggest your videos more, because more people will click on it when it is suggested, and that will make YouTube suggest it to more people in the future. Then that second thing is getting people to watch your videos for longer. So in order to do that, you really have to make your videos as interesting and engaging as possible. Because the reason people stop watching videos is because they get bored, and then when they get bored, they get distracted. So if you let people get bored when they're watching your videos, then they're going to stop watching. They're going to click on one of those videos over there, one of those really, really tempting suggested videos that YouTube is suggesting to the person who's watching. Now, obviously, there's more that could be said about how to make great videos that people actually enjoy watching, that people keep watching, so that YouTube suggests your videos to more people. A lot more could be said about that topic. The main point of this video, though, is just to make sure that you understand that you don't need to focus on going after topics that are search topics that people are searching for that aren't very competitive. Because the thing about those topics is that if you're trying to find one that isn't very competitive, it's typically not all that popular anyway. And what that means is that even if you make an awesome video on that topic, there's only going to be so many people out there for YouTube to suggest it to. So many people who are actually interested in watching it. Whereas on the other hand, if you make really awesome videos about at least somewhat popular topics, then once your video starts to spread, there's gonna be way more people for YouTube to share it with. And there will be a way higher potential of views for that video to get, which means that the potential for the impact that video can have on your channel in terms of bringing new subscribers in is way, way higher. Okay guys, that is it for today. Thanks so much for being with me here today, for watching my video. Hope you found this interesting. Hope you found it helpful. You're still here, right? I mean, yes, you are still here. So thanks for doing this with me. I'll be back next week with another video. So if you haven't already subscribed, then click that red button down below right now so you don't miss the next one. Thanks again. I'll see you guys again soon.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down.